This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie.liebler. Incredible value in the sought-after Princess and Hills neighborhood. Charming brick ranch home on a large lot just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches. Wonderful floor plan with an oversized living room, large master bedroom, fireplace, screened-in porch, and wood floors. Very private backyard overlooks First Landing State Park. Quick golf cart ride to the beach. For more information, review the details below.